used to start most mornings with the same feeling that I am already behind. Every morning, even before brushing my teeth, I would open my phone, I would see the messages, deadlines, meetings that I had, and people who were doing yoga at sunrise, and I would feel a quiet panic inside, like I was failing even before the day began. I tried fixing it. I watched videos. I made detailed morning routines with meditation, journaling, workout. But I couldn't follow any of it for a long time. Every time I missed a step or woke up late, I felt like I have failed again. And that's when it hit me. Maybe I was not able to keep up with it because I was trying to follow somebody else's morning routine. One morning, I decided to stop copying and just listen to what I needed. And I landed on two ridiculously simple habits that made my mornings calmer and more grounded. And I'll walk you through them in this video. Not so that you can copy me, but so you can create your own version of these simple habits that would absolutely transform your mornings. Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Pratima. One morning, after waking up late yet again, I remembered just sitting on my bed and feeling completely unmotivated. I didn't want to meditate, I didn't want to journal or exercise. I didn't want to follow my morning routine. So instead, I decided to do one small thing, that is to take bath and do a small prayer and sit and talk to Krishna, who is my favorite god. That's it. It wasn't something really big, but it made me feel really nice. It made me feel like my day started off with something that was really meaningful for me. It also somehow cleared my head. I felt calm and I surprisingly felt ready to do the next thing on my list. The next morning, I did it again, and slowly I realized this tiny act was giving me a small win first thing in the morning. Here's what was actually happening. When you do something small but intentional, your brain registers it as progress. It switches from a passive state where you're just thinking, overanalyzing, scrolling, or consuming to an active state where you're actually doing something meaningful. This tiny bit of movement tells your brain, oh, I am in control again. And once your brain feels in control, it naturally wants to keep going. Now, your win doesn't have to look like mine. Your win can be different. It can be you stepping into the sunlight and doing a happy morning stretch. It can be you making coffee for yourself and sipping it without checking your phone and being completely mindfully present in the moment. It can also be you tidying one small corner of your home for 10 minutes. It can be any of these small things that you feel to be meaningful start for your day. Because once you start your day with a small win, your brain automatically wants the next one. And that's how we build momentum. Once I started getting the small win into my day, I realized something. I started feeling calmer, but I did not feel like I was in control of the day. Sometimes the whole day would just run from me, and I would do tasks which I did not even intend to do. You know that feeling where you have been busy the entire day, but at the end of the day, you think, oh, what did I even do today? Where did the day go away? That's when I added one more thing to my morning. That is writing 3 intentions for the day. It is nothing complicated. It is just me asking myself, what are the 3 things that would make me feel good if I got them done today? It's not a to-do list. To-do lists are endless and they make you feel like you are behind even before the day begins. Intentions are different. They tell your brain what really matters today and help you decide what deserves your time and what doesn't deserve your time today. For me, those 3 intentions usually used to look like this. One was a work-related task that I absolutely wanted to complete. One thing with myself, which was self-care, like a walk or a workout, and one small connection with the world around me. It could be calling my parents, messaging a friend, or even just playing with a pet outside in the society. Because when you write your intentions first thing in the morning, you set a tone for the day. You move from reacting to everything that comes your way to responding with clarity. So, tomorrow morning, don't copy somebody else's routine. Just ask yourself, what's the one small win I can start with? And what are the 3 things, if I complete, would make me feel like I had a productive and a beautiful day? If you have liked this video and want to do the same with your evenings, then I have a video about evening routines that I'll link here. Do check out the video. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you again next week.